Hi guys, this is Cy from Sinai Software. Today we're going to build a simple fence with Cyclone, and then we're going to save it out as an asset. So let's get started. Let's grab our distribution spline. We'll add that. And then before I do any of our sweeps, I'm going to add in our posts and pickets. So let's go do that first. And what I want with this sort of overall thing is I'm going to want to set this into ordered or random pattern. I don't need individual pattern because that's more technical if you're doing a lot of like big stuff. So for this, I'm just going to put this in an ordered pattern. I'm going to go to my post object and I'm going to make that a post. And the very next thing I'm going to want to do is set up my post spacing. So let's set that to let's say 220. And we'll set that. And now we'll go set our picket spacing, because what we want is we want 3 of these pickets to go in between each fence. So that looks good. Now the way this post object is set up, so wherever there's a knot, you're going to get a post. So as you're building this, you don't actually have to worry about, are my posts at the end or anything like that. So yeah, that's the way it's made. All right. This is looking a little wide, so let's just take this post spacing and I'm going to maybe bring this down a little bit. Let's just say maybe 150. It's not too bad. All right, yeah, 160. We'll do that. So I'm going to need to go back to all my overall objects. I'm going to bring down this again, so I have 3 of our pickets in between each post. That looks good. All right, I'm going to also probably have to bring in my end object. Now, end objects are like posts. They're a specialized object. So I'm just going to go pick this. And the first thing I'm going to do is go into our end object, and I'm going to press the Make End button. So it knows to only put it on the ends of the spline. All right, now I'm also going to have to rotate this around. So let's rotate this 90 degrees. Oh, that was a fence post. 90 degrees on this. And then I'm probably going to want to slide this in. So let's just go slide that in, and it looks like 20 for the start offset, which I'll make that end offset 20 as well. And then that should be at the center end of our spline. I could go individually here and change all the offsets on this stuff if it was in individual pattern, but anything on a random or ordered, the offsets are now on all objects. So let's just slide these down. So I'm going to need to go probably, let's just make it 50. And we'll make the end one 50. All right, looks like we're laid out pretty well. All right, so now we can start getting our sweeps in. So I am going to pick our top, our mid, and our bottom sweep first. So let's just go grab those. And the way sweeps work, again, is your texture is on your spline. So, all right, we got our 3 sweeps in. And we're going to probably need to do same thing, is do a start and end offset. So I'm going to look at this. What do we have? It's probably going to be down to, it looks like 45 and 45. All right, good. All right, let's take our top rail and we'll put this at the very top. And we're going to need to make sure that it's centered as well. So let's just put our offset. There we go. All right. We can move up our mid cap. So let me just slide that. That's probably going to be exactly the same. So I'm just going to copy our settings from our top and I'm just going to paste it onto our mid, and then I'll just lower our mid one down so that way it's in the center. And so it looks like it's -2 on the offset. We'll go to the bottom one. Let's just set that to -2. And we can move this up just a little bit. All right, not bad. All right, I'm going to need to move my pickets up one by one. So let me just go and slide these up as well. So that's, let's see, 11. So let me just go do that and put that on each picket, just so they're at the top. Good. All right, we're getting there. All right, let's put in our little center pieces. So these are the top rails, sort of in between the top here. So let's see, we'll go, I'm going to go say it's going to be centered. So I'm going to copy this or paste this to where our top one was. And let's just lower this down just a hair. Let me see how that works out. No, it's sticking out past. So I'm going to have to, let's just go to 0. That looks good. All right, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to copy, select the next one, paste, just slide it down. And the last one, hit paste and slide that down. So the copy and paste feature sort of speed up your workflow a little bit. All right, now looks like we just have our center, the main pieces of planking that runs around. So we'll go grab those. Let's just grab them all. Go through, slide those in, and then we just need to individually move those up. So let's grab the very first one, plank 1, and we'll slide this to the top. And we're going to offset these. We're going to go 1 on each side of the rail. You'll see what I mean in a minute. So let's just go move this back. So just it's behind the picket like that. And then I'm going to take this, I'm going to copy this and paste to the second one, and we'll move that just down. Okay, so that should be good. Let me just make sure there's enough spacing. Yeah, that's good. All right, so let's do, I'm going to put this, just go ahead, I'm going to take the first one, I'm going to copy that, go to the third, hit paste, and I'm just going to slide that down. And then I'll go to the second one, hit copy, go to the fourth, hit paste, slide that down. Same thing, just going to go through these real quick. So go to the third one, copy, fifth one, paste. It just sort of makes it easier so I don't have to go change a whole bunch of numbers in here. So go to the fourth, copy, sixth, paste, slide that down. So we're almost done. A couple more to go. So fifth, copy, go down, seventh, and paste. And we'll slide that down. And how many do we have? 2 more. So 6, copy, paste. And then the very last one. All right. That's it. I just sort of eyed them for the fences, but it seemed to have worked out pretty well. So that's it. I have pretty much made our fence, and no matter what I do with it, so just go create new lines. I can move it all around. I sort of have this fence that's scalable and nice and easy to use. So now if I just want to simply create more fences, it's as easy as that. And I have something that's, like I said, nice and easy. You can even go, let's put a smooth on this, have rounded fences, whatever you want. But it's just made to be super easy. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you liked it. See you.